We're talking about the tools we use at Harz, just like in any jewelry house. By the way, there are different types of tweezers. This tweezers is for larger stones. When we're examining a stone, you can secure it like this. You see how convenient it is, very convenient. You can flip it over, examine it, all the possible movements with the tweezers. But there's my favorite tool, which looks a bit scary, called a collet, as we call it. Look, if you want to take a stone and examine it with a loupe, you can do it by hand. But trust me, it's completely inconvenient to do it by hand. You can't see the light or the number at all. So you can use tweezers, or you can use, you can use a collet, such as, for example, we clamp the stone very carefully like this, and with the help of a 20-fold magnifying loupe, we can easily and precisely read its unique identification number clearly and effortlessly. But here it is, wonderful, you can examine the number, but there's one more. Clever thing. In my opinion, the most interesting item that our Chinese friends came up with. But I saw it for the first time in my life in China, and I'll show it to you now. Pause. Look. This is a metal ring with very strange clamps. Look at what you can do. If you want to see how it would look on your finger, to get a better idea of the ring on your finger and see how it would look in different lighting and angles, I'm doing it for you. Look, see? Do you see? It feels like that. And look, right. You can see how a 2-carat cushion would appear in this manner, in this example, on your hand. Of course, this is not a ring. This is a metal clamp in the shape of a ring, but the visual is completely different. And it's very convenient. This little trick, I really liked it. And moreover, I mentioned, let's pause again, a similar clamp in yellow metal. Why white and yellow? And that's because it's a very important point. The thing is that the color of the metal is always reflected in the diamond. And that's why it's very important what metal you will ultimately set your amazing stone in. If you put white, a stunning dyed color, but in a yellow metal, for example, in yellow gold, you will lose a little color. That's why we always recommend setting white diamonds in white gold. So that's the trick. And I actually saw these clamps for the first time in Hong Kong, brought them back, and have been using them ever since.